Hello friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have the amazing Brutus Monroe Winter Winds December Inspiration Box, and I'm excited to see what's in it. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure what's in it. So, and I got it a few days ago and I wanted to show you all, but I threw out my back and I have done literally nothing since I did that. I figured I could probably sit here for a few minutes and do this, so we're gonna give this a try. But all right, so this is it. That box is pretty. I love the colors. This is one of my favorite parts about getting the boxes is, I mean, you get this in the mail. Like, what could be happier than seeing this show up in your mailbox? And then, you know, that's gorgeous. So, all right, let's open her up and take, oh my gosh. Okay, so let me set this off to the side and pull things out as we see them. Here is our adorable pin. Here, oh my gosh, look at how cute that little pin is. Oh, he's adorable. And look at how big he is in my hand. He's so cute. That would just be cute to just wear on your sweater where you're heading out and doing stuff. That's cute. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay. Ooh, here is our sequin packet. Oh, I love this. So you have these blues and you have like some purples in there. This is just stunning. Obviously, I see a shaker in my future. That is, and there's so much in there. I don't think I especially don't have any that are this lighter blue color. Those are beautiful. Ooh, love that. Okay, what else we got? And then of course our ribbon is gonna match that. And I love getting the ribbon because while I don't always put it on my cards, you can use it for your ornaments. You can use it to package up your gifts or your card sets or whatnot. Those are beautiful colors. Well done. Oh, we have a stencil. Look at this stencil. It's beautiful snowflakes, and I'll bet you can layer this up. And by layer it up, I mean you start here and then you can pick it up and go up again. And this is 7 inches. I mean, you have a little bit of a border, so it's actually about a little over 6.5 inches. And then it's about almost 2 inches. So otherwise you could use some of your pastes. You could use your embossing ink through here and maybe do some sort of embossing powder through it. But this is just beautiful. I love it. And perfect because it's winter. We did get some snow the other day in Huntsville. Nothing stuck, but we did get some. Oh, here are our foilables. And I'm so excited because while it was pre-Black Friday shopping, I was at Joann's and I found a mink on clearance for $60. And it's the big one. So I have a laminate, or not a laminator, I have a foiler now. I'm so excited. So I can't wait to open it up and give it a try. Haven't had a chance, but I'm excited. So let's look at our foilables. You know I'll be foiling these beauties up. Oh, that's pretty. And you always get 2 of each panel. Oh, I love this. I love how the stripes aren't like perfect. They're like sketchy stripes. And you've got those snowflakes in the background. It almost looks like you're looking through the blinds. I love that. Oh my gosh. I love that one. Oh. Oh. Yes. Look at, I love these. There are going to be some cards made with these. Holy cow, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Oh, I feel like you just have to foil these. So we're going to. And now that I have a new foiler. So check your local Joann's if you're in the market for one. Ours had 2 and they were hidden, so I found one. Oh my gosh, check it out. We have some fairy dust embossing powder. All right, I'm going to go ahead and let's just go ahead and emboss these right onto some dark cardstock and some white cardstock so we can see what it looks like, because it's obviously very shimmery and glimmery, but I don't know, it might have a little bit of a color to it. So let's check it out. Okay. Notice how I have everything at my fingertips because of my back. I guess at my age I should not be doing some crazy workouts. All right, let's heat set those. Okay, so let's take a look. This is what it looks like on the white. It's like this beautiful iridescent, perfect for snow. It's not white, it's clear, but you have this gorgeous iridescence in there. And then also with the black, I mean, it looks stunning on dark cardstocks. So I can see, like, maybe you've sponged up a whole background. Let's say you don't want to do it with like a dark blue or something, and then cover your entire background with this. I think we're gonna have to try that because I love that. That is some beautiful, beautiful embossing powder. This stuff is super sparkly. And y'all know I love my sparkle, so this is a winner. Winner, winner, fairy dust for dinner. JK, I'm clearly delirious. Okay, let's look at our cardstock before we look at our stamp set. Okay, so we have, oh, a whole sheet of some sterling glitter stock, and then you have a whole one of turquoise too. Holy cow, talk about giving you the goodies. Oh, and is this some, oh, this is some heavyweight cardstock, heavyweight white cardstock. Then we've got some lighter weight dark blue, light blue, and cream. So you get a lot of cardstock in here, and very happy with that. Love it. But let's take a look at our, because you guys are not going to believe this. Let's take a look at our stamp set. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So you've got all these beautiful different snowflakes. They're all a little bit different, it looks like. We have these 2, 3, 4 separate tiny snowflakes. Then we have these 2 bigger ones. It looks like this one is just, you know, empty in the center, so you could put whatever you wanted in there. Maybe you could make that a shaker. But there's these beautiful scenes in here. And then we have You're One of a Kind, Winter Wishes, Snow Much Thanks, Season's Greetings, and Hello My Friend. So I feel like this is a great Christmas set, winter set. You know, it doesn't have to be Christmas. That's great. But, oh my gosh, but, okay. I'm so excited about this because, check it out. We have matching dies for all 4 of those big snowflakes, and then we have the circle for the center cut. Be still my heart. I'm so excited. I cannot even tell you how excited I am. I have so many ideas running through my head. This is the first I opened this, but I knew this was, I knew it. Okay. Very excited. Okay. Anyway, so is that not amazing? I feel like you just, for the price of this box, I mean, you cannot beat, just this combo alone is worth more than what they're selling the box for. And then you're also going to get all these wonderful things with it. So I would say, since this is the first time they've ever done matching dies, I mean, if y'all are listening, Brutus Monroe, hope you keep doing it because that just makes my heart so happy. Anyway, I'm telling you right now, if you're looking at this box and you're even considering it, or you like this set, you better just get the set. I mean, you better just get the box because this set alone is worth so much more than what they sell the box for. And then you, like I said, you get all of these goodies to go with it, plus your paper. It's, you know, it's just such a deal. So, okay, well, I'm gonna go ice my back, write up some ideas because I need to get better so I can get in here and I can start making stuff. But I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for being understanding that I haven't responded to a ton of your comments. I've been loving them, but I haven't had a chance to actually respond. I do read them all. And I just thank you guys so much for everything you guys do, all the love and support. Hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already done so because you will not want to miss what I'm going to do with this set. I am super excited about it. And as soon as I am 100%, I am maybe not even 100%. I'll get back in here before that. I'm going to be making stuff. So, all right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.